I've made a couple of videos recently talking about storage for my Tesla. Now, I go on a lot of trips, I do a lot of driving, and I just like having things readily accessible. A few recent additions are this mag back charger, which is awesome. It charges my phone magnetically, and then this one. I love this one, being able to have my power bank right here, being able to have my wallet, my mints. You can really have a lot of storage that's in your arm's reach. Now go to your Model 3 and Y, you can pause the video and look at other places where you can have storage that's readily available. Sure, the side pockets, but mines are already full. Where else? Right here? Right here? Are you saying right here? Are you thinking what I'm thinking? Well, if you are thinking what I'm thinking, I have something in this box. And if you're not thinking what I'm thinking, I have something in this box. And we're gonna put it on my Tesla. And then we'll see if you like it for your Tesla. This is pretty much it. This is it. It's just like this plastic holder. Check that out. It's a simple design that works. There's no installation, no clipping, no unclipping, none of that stuff. All you're gonna do is basically put this to your car and then boom, extra storage? Okay. Once I pull off the adhesive, I'm thinking it's gonna just go like right here. Okay, it just sits right here. That's awesome. You can like move it down anywhere, can't you? Oh, that's really cool. Okay, so if you want it lower, you can put it right here, though it might interfere with your knees. So actually, let's try that right now. Going back in the car. My knee is right here. Oh, no, it doesn't interfere with your knee whatsoever, no matter like where you put it. Okay, that is really good to know. All right, I guess I'm just gonna go ahead and stick this on. Dude, that is some strong tape. Okay. I think that's pretty good, y'all. I put mine up pretty high, and that way I can just put stuff in, and I do crazy launches, so nothing will slide out this way. All right, y'all. Look at that. It's just in there. Let's see if it interferes with me getting in the car. Nope. Not at all. Not even close. Dude, this is so perfect. Obviously, your phone can just slot in right here and right there. Dang, heck yeah. What else can we put right here? Power bank? Should we try a wallet? Okay. Chapstick at the ready. Mint. Dude, you could fit like a whole deodorant lotion bottle. All right, I'm gonna take my oversized sunglasses. These are huge. These are from Nissan. Can these fit? No way. These can fit too, yo. And I'm telling you, like, these are actually, they're huge, right? They have no problem just sitting in here. Okay, cool. That is sweet, y'all. On long road trips or even short commutes, this is great because let's say you want to get out and buy something at a gas station, your wallet's right here, or your phone's running low, but you need to go, your power bank is right here. This power bank is also by Banks. They make great charging accessories and phone accessories. I would totally recommend them. This is also a magnetic wireless charger, just by the way. Boop, slot it in. I love this because it's not too deep either. So if I wanted to, I had these right here, right? I wanted to get my chapstick, boom, got my chapstick. Okay, I did kind of throw the mints a little bit, but don't need to worry about that. Chapstick on deck. So this combined with other storage options from Banks, you can see I completely emptied out this bottom part, really give you more space in your Tesla without you having to really need to add more. And at the price this is at, dude, get one for yourself, get one for the other Teslas in your life, and let me know what you think about this in the comments below. This is the first time I'm seeing something like this, and now that I'm thinking about it, I can't unsee it because this is all just like dead space right here, right? Like there's nothing over here, so you might as well just put a little pocket right here, right? Girls are always complaining about how their dresses don't come with pockets. I'm gonna start complaining why Teslas don't come with pockets. Pick one up for yourself in the description below, guys. I'll have a discount code you can use to save you some money. Thanks for opening this with me, and I will see you all later.